Does the infection taste nice or sour?
Infection tastes nice or sour? Sour.
Why you say sour?
Because it affects your brain and also everything.
So it tastes sour.
Yeah, sour.
Right. Does the infection taste sweet, nice or sour?
What?
Does infection taste nice or sour or sweet?
Infection. Does infection taste nice?
Taste, yeah.
How would I know that? What kind of infection?
Like disease. It's a disease infection, yeah.
No. What would it taste nice? How would you even taste it?
All right. So all in all, what are you saying?
I'm saying I don't know how to answer this question.
How many blood type do you know?
5.
Can you mention, please?
I don't know.
Right. How many blood type do you know?
Oh, I think I know the temperature of it, like the low blood and the high blood, and also something like DNA.